In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an API key in Twilio. Whether you're integrating Twilio services into your application or setting up a new project, creating an API key is an essential first step. Let's walk through the process together, ensuring that every detail is clear and understandable so you can get started smoothly. To begin, the first thing you need to do is log in to your Twilio account. You can access it by navigating to https://console.twilio.com. Once there, enter your credentials to access your account dashboard. Now, when you're on your dashboard, you'll notice a menu on the left-hand side of your screen. This is essentially your navigation panel that provides a variety of options for managing your Twilio account and services. Here, you'll want to look for and click on Admin. Once you've done that, the next step is to go over to Account Management and then select API Keys and Tokens. This section allows you to manage your existing API keys and tokens, as well as to create new ones, which is exactly what we want to do today. Now that you're in the right place, you'll see a button towards the top right corner labeled Plus Create API Key. Go ahead and click this button. This action is going to bring up a form where you'll enter some details necessary for your new API key. First, you'll see a field for friendly name. This is your chance to give your API key a name that will help you identify it easily later on. Think of something memorable and specific to its purpose, like App Server Key. Next, you'll need to choose the key type. Here, you have two options, Standard and Main. For the majority of use cases, Standard is what you'll want to select. It provides ample access for most applications. The Main type is reserved for high-level access and is rarely needed, so proceed with Standard unless your specific use case dictates otherwise. Once you've filled out these fields, it's time to create the key, so click on Create API Key. Congratulations, you've now created a new API key. But there's an important security step you must take immediately after this. Twilio will display the SID and the secret. These are vital to the functioning of your API key. However, be aware that Twilio only shows the secret once. This means you'll want to save both the SID and the secret securely, right now. Think of the SID like a username and the secret like a password. They both need to be stored in a secure place to ensure the continued security of your API key. Ideally, use a password manager or a secure notes app to store this information. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully created an API key in Twilio. With these steps, you're all set to integrate your new key, keeping in mind to handle it with care. Thank you for following along, and happy coding.